Okay, I've got this one almost covered here. I just, I also want to say that don't be afraid to use a sewing machine for some of these easy patchwork approaches, because I don't get bent out of shape about that, really. I mean, I really don't have that many rules for myself. I basically work within my means and what makes sense. I've just done one seam here by machine. Because, a lot of times a machine base, a machine stitched base can work just fine. This little invisible base that I use to hold things down, the dimpling that comes from that stitch really, I think, kind of brings the whole thing into a hand-stitched look anyway. So really, in a pinch, sometimes too much hand sewing is a lot as we get older. So, a simple straight seam that's tacked down with a hand stitch, I think it's just as soft sometimes, and it's just as good a solution to create yourself a base, perhaps to hand stitch on, and who could really tell, really.